Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the light button to open the controls menu. After the controls menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu. Now scroll through the menu, select the Do Not Disturb mode option, and as you can see it says Do Not Disturb off. And to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply press the start button to switch it on, like this. And once you switch it on, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. To turn it off, you simply open the controls menu again, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon and press the start/stop button to turn it off. And as you can see, it says Do Not Disturb mode off, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. You can also turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings. So we can press and hold the up button to open the menu. Then we can scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Select the option called the system, press the start button to enter. Here scroll down, find the option called Do Not Disturb, select it, press the start button to enter. And here, as you can see, we have the option called status, and you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode by pressing the start button to switch the status to on, and turn it off by pressing the start button and switch it to off. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.